नमस्कार, हाय, हॅलो, वेलकम टू आस्क इन डिटेल अवर फेमस यूट्यूब चॅनल इन रिचिंग नॉलेज. आणि आपल्या या आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत दॅट हाऊ टू डाउनलोड द करेक्ट ड्रायव्हर्स, करेक्ट डिव्हाइस ड्रायव्हर्स फॉर युअर लॅपटॉप ऑर पी सी. बऱ्याच वेळेला असं होतं की बऱ्याच कन्फ्युजन्स असतात. यू डोंट नो द मॉडेल नंबर, समटाइम्स यू डोंट नो द मदरबोर्ड नंबर. बऱ्याच वेळेला असं असतं की आपल्याला त्या लॅपटॉपची, त्या डिव्हाइसची, त्या कम्प्युटरची काही माहिती नसते. बट इन दिस केस यू नीड नॉट टू थिंक टू मच एनीथिंग. काही विचार करू नका. जस्ट फॉलो द स्टेप्स विच आय एम गोइंग टू टेल यू इन दिस video, and within a few minutes the correct drivers will be downloaded and installed on your PC or laptop, and all the devices will work properly. Just watch it. Now here you have to open any web browser and just type the keywords. As you can see, scan and install drivers as it is. Okay, and just click on the first website. After clicking, the website will open, and in this website there are a lot of tools are given here, but I will suggest you to download the first tool, that is the first software. As you can see here on the screen, that is Driver Booster. Here just click on this button, download Driver Booster. This is very important and very user friendly software. As you can see here, it is completely free. Just click on this free download button. After clicking on this free download button, the another page will open, or maybe the download will start. As you can see here, yes, another web page is opened here, and now click on this button, free download, this green button. When you will click this button, the download will be begin, and after a few seconds the software will be downloaded. As you can see here in the downloaded list, just open the folder where the file is saved here. Now double click on this file, then installation will start. Okay, as you can see here, I have double clicked. Now click on run button. Now the installation will be started. Within a few seconds the software will be installed easily. Just follow some steps, that is next and finish, or close. Then the installation will be completed within a few seconds. It is very common. So as you can see here, install button is here. Just click on the button. Now click on S. Okay, fine. Now we have installed this software. As you can see here, click on the icon, double click. Now here is the interface, my friends. Now you have to do just one thing, that is click on this scan button. This step will automatically scan the perfect devices, the devices which are available on your PC or laptop. This process will scan complete system and help you to download and install the correct drivers. As you can see here, this is completely updated and free version. Now follow the steps. As you can see here, click on scan button. When you will click on this scan button, the scanning process will begin. As you can see here, very fastly the scanning will be done. See how fast it is, 100% scan. Yes, now what you have to do, nothing. As you can see here, I have already done this process. I have already downloaded and installed all the drivers, correct drivers. This software will give you all the correct drivers. It will automatically install all the drivers. But just one thing, that here you will get one button. Here you will get one button, that is update. Just click on the same button, update here, and automatically all the drivers will be installed on your PC and laptop, and all the devices will work properly. Now as you can see here, this is the main thing, and this is very easy thing. This will work correctly. This will work 100% working. Okay, so don't think too much. Follow these steps and like, share, subscribe and press bell button. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, friends.